I've heard these three words: fine tuning, RAG, prompting. Everyone throws them around, and almost nobody can tell you which one you actually need. So here's what happens: people search for fine tuning, and people reach for fine tuning, the biggest and the most expensive one. They spend weeks on it, and it doesn't even fix their problem. And by the end of this video, you'll know which one to use and when, and you'll probably realize you needed the cheap one all along. Quick thing before we start: if breakdowns like this help you, hit like and subscribe. One confusing AI thing made simple every week. Okay, let's just get into it. All three of these do the same job. They make an AI better at your task. They do it in completely different ways. That difference is the whole thing. Here's the simplest way to think about it. Imagine you just hired a smart new employee. Prompting is telling them what to do. You give them clear instructions, maybe an example, they get to work fast and free. RAG is giving them a reference binder. Now they can look things up, your company docs, your data. They don't memorize it. They check the binder when they need it. Fine tuning is sending them to school, months of training that changes how they work by default. Slow, expensive, but it sticks. Telling them, giving them a binder, sending them to school. Same goal, three different tools. Let me show you each one. First, prompting. This is how you talk to the AI. You give it instructions, you tell it who to be, what you want, how to answer. Maybe you show it one or two examples. That's it. No training, no setup. You type, it responds. And here's the key idea: prompting changes the instructions, nothing else. It doesn't teach the AI anything new, it just steers what it already knows. It's instant, it's basically free, and honestly, it solves most problems. Most of the time, when an AI gives you a bad answer, the fix isn't some fancy technology, it's a better prompt. Second, RAG. Big, scary name, but simple idea. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. The AI only knows what it was trained on. It has never seen your company's documents, your notes, your data, so RAG gives it a way to look them up. You ask a question, before the AI answer, a search runs through your documents. It grabs the pieces that matter, it hands them to the AI, and then AI answers using your actual information. The key idea: RAG changes the knowledge what the AI can see. And notice this: it doesn't memorize your data, it looks it up fresh every time. Change a document and the answer changes with it. That's why RAG is how you make an AI know your stuff. Third is fine tuning. This is the big one, the one everyone thinks they need. Fine tuning means you take the model and you actually retrain a part of it. You feed it thousands of examples of the exact behavior you want, and it slowly adjusts until that behavior becomes its default. The key idea: fine tuning changes the behavior, how the AI acts without being told. Think about that new employee again. This isn't giving them instructions or a binder. This is months of school that rewires their instincts, which means it's the expensive one. It costs money, it takes real time. You need a big pile of clean examples, and once it's done, it's baked in. You can't just edit it like a prompt. So fine tuning is powerful, but it's heavy, and most people reach for it way too early. So let's lock it in. Prompting changes the instructions, RAG changes the knowledge, and fine-tuning changes the behavior. Prompting instructs, RAG knows, fine-tuning becomes. Keep that, it's the whole video in 3 lines. Now, here's where almost everyone goes wrong. You want the AI to know your company's information, your products, your policies, your data. So you think, I'll fine-tune it on all our data, train it on our stuff. Makes sense, right? It sounds right. It's the first thing everyone tries, and it's the biggest mistake in this whole topic. Here's the truth: fine-tuning is terrible at teaching facts. Let that land. The thing everyone used to teach the AI their data is the wrong tool for exactly that. Fine-tuning teaches style, behavior, format, the way something is done. It does not reliably teach facts. Feed it your policy documents and it won't memorize them. It'll just learn to sound like them, and it'll confidently make things up. If you want the AI to know your facts, your docs, your data, that's RAG every time. Fine tuning is for how it answers, RAG is for what it knows. Mix those two and you will waste weeks. Now let's talk or cost, because these three are not even close. Prompting, minutes of work, basically free, you can change it anytime. RAG, a few days to set up, some cost to run, very flexible. Fine tuning is weeks of work, real money, you need data and you need to redo it when things change. Look at that ladder, every step up costs you more, a lot more. So you climb it only when the step below actually isn't enough. So here's the whole decision in three simple questions. Do you need it to follow instructions, change its tone, or format the answer a certain way? That's prompting. Do you need it to know your facts, your documents, your data, your product? That's RAG. Do you need it to reliably do one specialized thing in a specific style at scale, and prompting just can't get there? That's when you fine tune. Instructions, knowledge, behavior. Match the problem to the tool. And if you remember nothing else, remember the order. Always start with prompting. It's free and instant and it fixes most things. Still getting your facts wrong? Then add RAG. And only if you've really tried both and you still need a specific behavior at scale, and then and only then fine tune. Here's the part nobody says out loud. Most people never need step 3. Prompting and RAG cover almost everything. One last thing, these three aren't really competing. They are layers. You stack them. A real AI system usually uses good prompting and RAG together, and it only adds fine tuning if there's a reason. So the question was never which one wins, it's which one does this job, and now you can answer that. So that's fine tuning, RAG, and prompting. 3 ways to make an AI better at your task. One changes the instructions, one changes the knowledge, and one changes the behavior. Start cheap, climb only when you have to. If this made it click, subscribe. One confusing AI thing made simple every week. And tell me down in the comments, what are you building that made you look this up? I am genuinely curious. See you in the next one.